up, guys? We're doing a little video here today on do-it-yourself target. I made out of 100% recycled materials. So I've been going down and gathering used carpet from the carpet stores and hauling it over here to my buddy Rob's shop. We work at a Millworks, and so we were able to get all of our lumber and that stuff out of the fall off from our projects. So that's all reusable stuff there that we're salvaging. And as you can see, all the wood and stuff is made out of this here lumber from our Millworks. And we've been cutting down this carpet here and the stuff here on the floor to the same size as the base or the top here. And then my buddy Rob made the base there for us. And so yeah, got a whole bunch of carpet here and just layering it up. The target's gonna be 5 foot wide, 14 inches thick, undetermined length or height right now. So we're just gonna stack it up pretty much as high as what we have carpet for. I imagine it's gonna be about 3 times that height, and then run the through bolts through the top there and squash her on down. We'll definitely keep you updated on what we're doing and let you see the final product anyhow. So just trying to throw out an idea there. You know, I'm sure there's other people that have made this kind of target and whatnot, but recycled materials, you know, and that's just rounding stuff up that people don't want anymore and putting it to use. So pretty good thing there. And you get an awesome target that's huge. So yeah, come along for the ride. We'll do some updates as we go, and we'll see you on the next one. This is a bunch of the carpet that we've been collecting. Just like I said, rolls of it that have been discarded by the carpet stores. You know, they don't care if you haul it off, it's just going to the dump anyways. So I've just been gathering up these rolls here and, you know, cutting them to the size of the top of the target there and stacking her on up so we can get us a awesome target here to shoot at the house. Just wanted to show you kind of how we were doing this. The top that we made here is of course the size of the chunk of carpet that we want. So basically just taking it, lining it up on our recycled carpet here. Easy as doing that, sitting in the little drop there. Just give her a little cut like that and a cut right there. Flip top over. And oops, there's your slab of carpet. Take her and stack it up on the target butt there and repeat. That's a lot of carpet. I have no idea how many strips of carpet that is, and we still got about 3 times that much to do to get this done. So it's definitely involved and takes some work, but hey, that's what we do for archery and bow hunting and being able to shoot every day, right folks? Update number 2, all the carpet is cut and stacked, got the top on there, and getting ready to cinch it down with some clamps before we do the all thread. Clamps are actually, we stacked too much carpet, so our clamps are too short. Well folks, final update here on the do-it-yourself recycled archery target. We pretty much got it finished. Got some targets hung up on it. I've been testing it out. Shot more than a few arrows into it. So yeah, turned out pretty good. We kind of had a little shifting going on when we were tightening it down on the sides there. We didn't really have anything to, you know, kind of keep it held in place there when we were cinching her down. We just basically took the all thread here, one, you know, front and back on both sides there, and took some pipe clamps basically on the base and the top of it, sucked it down as we went, and then tightened the all threads. Squashed the carpet down real good, and it's catching arrows just fantastically. You can alleviate this unevenness if you want to, you know, by putting something there on the ends to keep everything nice and tight when you're cinching it down. We're not really too concerned about it. The thing's 5 foot wide, you know, and it's catching arrows good, so it's doing its job. And like I say, we've shot more than a couple dozen arrows into this thing, and yeah, it's phenomenal. And then if it does start to look like you're getting a little too much penetration, the nice thing is you can just start cinching these down a little bit more and compress that carpet more, and you're off and running again. I imagine this target's gonna last for a very long time with only a couple people shooting it on a regular basis, you know. So there you have it, folks. 100% recycled material do-it-yourself target, 5 foot wide by, oh geez, I haven't put a tape measure to it, but probably a little over, I don't know, somewhere around 4 foot anyways for the actual target, you know. Pretty easy to put little target stakes in there, you know. But as you can see, you know, it catches pretty good. So yeah, I don't know, if you're trying to make a target and you want something that's gonna be really durable, and you know, you're interested in doing it on a budget, you can't beat this. You know, other than the purchase of the all thread here, we didn't pay anything for this. You know, we got this huge target butt that is basically completely free because we built it ourselves out of scraps of stuff people didn't want anymore. So yeah, there you have it. And so yeah, build yourself a target and have fun. We'll see you on the next one.